Popular destinations like Dubrovnik face severe overcrowding during summer months, with long queues and inflated prices straining both tourists and local infrastructure. Meanwhile, these same locations remain underutilized in off seasons. China's Golden Week tourism spikes show how strategic timing can redistribute visitor flows. This contrast raises a critical question. How can travelers avoid peak season chaos while destinations maintain year round revenue? Traveling during shoulder seasons can yield significant savings. Mediterranean resorts offer 30 to 50% discounts on accommodations in November, while Japan's winter season after cherry blossom time features reduced rates. Airlines frequently lower prices during these periods too. For retirees on a budget, these savings can mean extending trips or upgrading experiences. The financial benefits are clear, but what about weather concerns? While monsoon seasons bring rain, they also create stunning landscapes like Bali's emerald rice terraces. Iceland's winter offers northern lights viewing, and Arizona's spring features perfect desert temperatures. Short afternoon showers in Southeast Asia often leave mornings and evenings clear. Understanding these patterns allows travelers to enjoy better prices while still experiencing a destination's essence. How can destinations themselves capitalize on these seasonal traits? Progressive destinations are implementing smart policies to balance tourism year-round. Greece supports small tourism businesses in adopting digital tools for off-season marketing. Barcelona runs campaigns promoting winter cultural events. The OECD recommends green infrastructure investments that make shoulder seasons more appealing. These approaches create win-win scenarios for travelers and local economies alike. But how can individual travelers apply these insights? Strategic timing unlocks hidden advantages. Visit Angkor Wat at dawn to avoid crowds and heat. Ski in March for shorter lift lines. Explore Vietnam's markets in November's dry season with just an umbrella for occasional showers. These small adjustments dramatically enhance experiences while leveraging cost savings. Retirees particularly benefit from this flexibility. Now, let's see these principles in action through a real success story. Northeast China's ice festivals demonstrate successful off-season innovation. By creating spectacular winter attractions, they now draw millions during previously slow months. This aligns with rural tourism development goals and provides year-round employment. Similar to how ex-Yugoslavian countries could attract Chinese tourists during their off-seasons, this model proves seasonal balance is achievable with creativity and targeted marketing. The formula is clear. Target shoulder seasons for better prices and experiences, research weather patterns thoroughly, and support destinations investing in year-round sustainability. Tools like crowd prediction apps and dynamic pricing alerts make this easier than ever. For retirees, this approach means more frequent, comfortable, and affordable adventures. Remember, in travel as in life, timing isn't everything. It's the only thing.